Welcome to another video, guys. My name is Raymond Schoker from Futura Capital Traders, FCT community, and we are going to break down a trade. But we're not going to break down a price action trade. No, we're going to break down a liquidity trade. In the group, I teach both of the strategies. I teach a price action strategy, more like basics, and I teach you guys like the liquidity strategy. Personally, I trade the liquidity strategy more and more lately because there's just so much potential in them, and the reward is really, really great. The important thing is I did this yesterday live with the community, right? I was streaming, I was telling them where I want to look, what the targets are, where I would like to enter, etc., etc. So this is not hindsight, right? It's all done beforehand. Analysis was made, and afterwards we executed. So I'm going to share the trade and the idea with you. And if there are any questions, you can drop them below right in the comment section, and I will be happy to answer. So first things first. Right, I have my daily 4-hour, 1-hour biases. They were all bearish yesterday, and the 50-minute right here as well. If you can see, right there is lots of bearish pressure. But am I really interested in taking sales at the moment? Well, at the moment, if I look at the 15-minute, I follow structure. So first, where is structure going, right? So at the moment, the structure is bearish. But what happens right here? Right here, at this moment, boom, it was in the night, it made a change of character, right? Boom, it became bullish. What did it after that? After that, this high was broken as well. So price, break of structure. So it made a change of character. From bearishness, boom, boom, consolidation, it became bullish, right? So the pullbacks, if you want to know what's right and what's not, join the group. Then break of structure, boom, came up again. So price is bullish on the lower time frames. All right. Okay, so we now recognize price is bullish, but what is it going to target? The target is liquidity. So this is the target that we wanted to hit. Well, the target is already hit. So buy side liquidity has been taken out at the moment. All right, whereas the other area of liquidity, pretty standard actually, below here and below all those lows. Okay. But at the moment, buy side liquidity has been taken out. We are trending bullish right now. So which zone is responsible for this change of character? This one, right? Boom, that's zone on the 50-minute. But we have continuation, so we have a break of structure as well right here. So which one's responsible for that one? Boom, this one here. Oh, boom, right here. This is the demand zone that is responsible. Okay, so what happens right now? I want to look for buys either from this area or this area. So now we are going to play. Let's see how fast that is. Yeah, let's do it like this. It's okay. Boom. Okay, let's just do it like that. Now we go to the lower time frames. It's far too fast, but okay. This is how we took the trade. Let's just put it that way. We are looking at the 1-minute time frame from all the way here, and then you can see what happened. We're looking at the 1-minute time frame and see how price was moving. Okay, what we saw is price moving up, breaking the Asian high, and again breaking. So immediately liquidity was taken. We have a retracement back into it. So right. So now we had a rejection, which was beautiful actually. So after that rejection, what happened? Right from that zone, that 50-minute zone, we got another. Even right here, but also from this side already, another change of character on a lower time frame, right? Boom. Again, we became a little bit bearish here. The leg was still bullish. We recognize that. Let's go to the 2-minute time frame. That's where I take my entries most of the time. And what we saw right here was a rejection. We saw it from the 1-minute. The 1-minute just didn't get tapped. And what I saw from the 2-minute, a new high was created, right? They were all small candles. There was one bullish impulse, a bullish engulfing candle, and a retracement. So what I did was I immediately entered after the bullish candle. And this is called the mechanical entry method. That's how I call it, actually. So what I did was put my entry there when it touched the next candle below there, and then target a 1, 2, 3 at first. After we had like another really nice trade, I put on another position. So I had 2 positions that I could manage, right? So one position would target the 1, 2, 3, and the other one would target, let's put it over here, boom, target the 1, 5. Zoom out a little bit, 1 to 5 are. And why? Those are the 2 targets that I would like to have. So after we got tapped in, the price started to move, and immediately got hit into my TP1. So that's where I closed a little bit higher actually, but that's where I closed my first position. Then left the rest to run. Why to run? Because I do believe you could touch this area once more before price comes down. And why? Because, there we go once more, this area here is now your area that was responsible for the taking out of this area right here. So that area has a lot of volume in it and has a lot of, well, not volume, a lot of orders in there to maybe continue up. So that's why I left my position to run. So this one was already tapped at 3R, so that's beautiful. So whatever you risk, you gained 3 times. And after that, the price started to move a little. Move. And after run open, right, we get down. We get all the way to this area here, but did not close below that area. And afterwards, our TP was hit. So let's see how long it takes. Boom, there we are. That's where the TP got hit. So now I got a 5R and a 3R trade to kick off September, actually. And we had a great trade. We had an 8R result in the first day, or well, the first day of the week, actually. It was the 4th of September already. So that's how we traded EU yesterday morning. If you want to learn how to do this yourself and know how to analyze the markets in beforehand, so not in hindsight, so not just drawing on a map, just join the group and I will be happy with the guys to show you how it's done. All right, remember, stay disciplined, stay patient, and you will get there if you have a good strategy / trading plan. That's all, guys. Speak to you later. Ciao.